Hello everyone, my name is YUFAN Luo. For the final project of MAE 52 2021, I created the 3D model of the Space Shuttle Discovery. The Space Shuttle is the most iconic manned spacecraft ever built, and Discovery, as the fourth space shuttle, is probably the most famous one. The beautiful shape and the interesting engineering inside the space shuttle keeps inspiring me to learn more about mechanical and aerospace engineering. My space shuttle is assembled from multiple parts, and plenty of them are movable, such as the rudders, body flap, flaps, ailerons, and the cargo bay door. The major method that I use is to import sketch pictures onto the three principal planes, and use 3D sketches to approximate its shape, with the gap later filled by different kinds of surfaces. The part selected for simulation analysis is the body flap. It is scaled down to 1 versus 100 with the material of aluminum alloy 2219. The worst situation for the body flap is an accidental collision with the ground during landing. In this case, the maximum won't miss stress is 11,850 psi, and the maximum displacement is 1.432 mm. I hope you guys enjoy it, and that's it for my MAE 52 final project.